Hi students, this is VLSI Design. Today's our topic is multipliers presented by Subhashamani Devi. After completion of multipliers, students will be able to what is partial product generation, draw the 4-bit order, array multiplier and explain. First one multipliers. This is the normal binary multiplication shown in here. First one, this is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. How to multiply using the binary multiplication means, first of all, we are going to multiply using this 1. 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, after that 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. If we are going to multiply with any number with 1 means that same number presented here. If suppose we are going to multiply with 0 means just the 0 is presented. That's all. First multiplier session we are having 1 means that same multiplicand is presented in this session. Suppose 0 is presented means suppose we are using 0 means just 0 is presented in this session. In the third row we are having 0 only. So third bit we are having 0 bit. That's why third row only we are having the partial products only having 0 is here. After that, that multiplication is over. After that we are going to adding this partial products term. Then only we are having the final result. If 0 is presented, so 0, 1 plus 0, 1. After that 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Then 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 10. So 0 is here, carry is over to here. Here we are having the carry 1. After that 1 plus 1, 10. So 0 is here. After that will carry is over to next position here 1. Then 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 is presented here. After carry is carry over to next position. Then 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 is presented. After that here 1, same thing 1 is presented. This is the final result of this two multiplications. Row number multiplication. It is the normal binary multiplication is followed here. After that, how to replace by the elimination. Here we are using the array multiplier. If suppose we are having only the two input means using the half adder. Suppose we are having the three inputs means we are going to use the full adder. Here we are using the here to find full adder and two half adder in the first partial products term. Next both three is full adder, one is half adder. In the final expression, final product, partial product term, we are using three full adder and one half adder. After that, we are minimizing the full adders. How to minimize the full adder using full adder replaced by half adder? Here, using the same path, maximum array multiplier is followed, but critical path is followed here. Same thing, we are having the path direction, how to follow the path and carries how to pass over to next bit, like that we are shown in the diagram. After that, carry save multiplier. Here only we are using the carry save multiplier. How to implementation is shown here. Here the half adder is move to this, carries move to next full adder session. After like that we are using the next bit, moving to next bit, how to carry move to the next bit shown in here. This t multiplier is equal to n minus 1 t carry plus n minus 1 t and plus t merge. This is the final expression of this carry save multiplier. Multiplier floor plan is it's just a carry and sum is given here, and single floor plan how to implement the single and full adder. For half adder we are using some color difference. This is the half adder and this is the full adder. This is the vector merging cells to producing the output sets like that. We are using differentiated the order full adder like that using the floor plan. X and Y signals are broadcasting through the complete array like this arrow marks. After that velocity multiplier, this is to reduce the adder and full adder like using the velocity multiplier. Just this one bit is replaced to the highest position of this product term. Partial, this is the normal partial product term. After that, how to bit position is arranged here. This is the first stage, this is the second stage, how to arrange in these positions. This one bit is moved to the partial product's first position and this is also moved here. After that, this is replaced to the these two bits is combined together and produced like that. Just using the if two bits means only using half adder. After that, we are reducing the full adder into half adder like that. Moving this final adder, we are using only the half adder is possible in this stage. So, such that we are using the velocity multiplier. After that, we have shown the diagram of this diagram, how to implement the full adder and how many half adders are used and how many full adders are used in the velocity relay structure, just shown in the diagram. After that, velocity multiplier shown in the mirror structure and just arrangement of full and half adder, how to eliminate the full adder to minimize the circuit like that shown in here. Then multiplier summary, identical critical paths are shown here. Other possible techniques are data encoding, both algorithms, and then logarithmic versus linear velocity multipliers are used, and then pipelining. These are the final summaries are used in the multipliers. After completion of this session, we are having some quiz questions that are how carry sieve multiplier differs from array multiplier. Thank you, students.